yesterday.
OK, thanks very much. Thank you.
22 minutes past 7. Over the years, oil and gas from the North Sea have helped keep the lights on all over Britain and, of course, keep us all warm and fed. But for some time, production has been in decline. Now, though, it could be given a vital new lease of life.
And that's because of a new platform. It's 250 miles off the east coast of England, and our business correspondent John Moylan has been given exclusive access to the installation and joins us now. John, morning.
Good morning. Yes, it's a very cold, blustery morning out here in the North Sea. Technically, we're way over in the Dutch sector of the North Sea this morning. It's just starting to get light. I know you can't see a great deal behind me just yet, but we're on board a massive new structure. Now, it's a £200 million investment by a British company, and it's going to help unlock pockets of gas that will heat our homes, which simply wouldn't have been accessible before.
From the air, it looks like any other oil or gas rig. But take a closer look at that smaller yellow structure at the front.
For the past 4 decades, the rich resources of the North Sea have been helping to keep the lights on in Britain, helping us to meet our energy needs. But now the industry is having to work ever harder to keep the oil and gas flowing, which is where this new platform comes in.
Most gas production facilities like this are permanent. When the field is empty, the platforms have to be decommissioned, torn down and taken away. But this is an industry first because it's reusable. It was floated out here on a barge, its giant legs were then lowered into the seabed and the platform raised for operation. In a few years' time, its owner Centrica can then easily move it on to a new location.
We've come up with this new technology which is a reusable platform. So rather than just use it on one field, we can spread the costs over maybe 4 or 5 fields. And as a result, we can get the gas out the ground. And that's gas that's badly needed in the UK today.
The new Energy Secretary, Mr. Tony Benn, opened a valve connecting the tanker to shore installation.
In fact, production has been declining here for more than a decade. But tax changes and a stable oil price has seen investment return.
This platform will be operating soon, but first, it has to tap into the gas field, which is 2 miles below us. Now, the enormous grey structure behind me is doing just that. That's a separate rig. It's a drilling rig, and it's currently drilling the well that will allow the gas to start pumping.
But how much oil and gas does Britain have left? The truth is, no one really knows, but the hope is that new ideas and the latest technology will keep it flowing for years to come.
Well, the good news is we've produced something like 40 billion barrels of oil and gas, but there could be another 24 billion barrels still to come. So there's a lot of work and a lot of opportunity still in the North Sea.
This region has been written off before, but could this be a new dawn?
Now, despite the fact that this is a huge structure, it's as tall as the London Eye, it weighs as much as the Eiffel Tower, when it's up and running, it will be manned by as few as 7 or 8 people. Now, they expect to hit that gas far below us towards the end of the year and to start pumping it on shore not long after. Back to you.
Thanks, John.
Right,
Only 7 or 8 people
That's
running.
amazing, isn't it? Such a huge installation. Still to come on breakfast.
What? Wait, who did you meet once? Paul.
Paul? Who's Paul?
I met him with Joni.
Why was Joni there?
She set it up.
Forget the setup.
That was Julianne Moore you just saw there, Hollywood A-list. Not afraid of taking risks, though. She reveals why she took on the role of a lesbian mother in a comedy about the day-to-day struggles of family life.
Did you guys think I was gay?
First, though, let's get news, weather and travel where you are this morning.